You love classic muscle cars with raw power, bold design, and a true American spirit, then you're going to love this one. Welcome to Camaro Z28, the channel where we bring you the most iconic cars in history, machines that defined an era and still make hearts race today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so you never miss another thrilling ride from automotive history. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most legendary American muscle cars ever made, the 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. A car that not only captured the soul of the 1970s but also redefined performance and style in ways that still inspire modern sports cars. The 1970 Camaro Z28 wasn't just another version of Chevrolet's popular Camaro line, it was a purebred street machine built for enthusiasts who wanted real muscle beneath the hood. With its sharp body lines, aggressive stance, and performance-driven engineering, it stood as a true rival to the Ford Mustang Boss 302 and Dodge Challenger TA of the same era. Under the hood, the heart of the Z28 was the powerful LT1 350 cubic inch V8 engine. This small block beast produced around 360 horsepower and could rev high, delivering both speed and reliability. The LT1 was paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, making it a driver's dream for anyone who craved control, power, and that unmistakable roar when you hit the gas. The 1970 Z28 could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 6 seconds, a serious number for its time, and its top speed pushed beyond 130 miles per hour. The handling was another reason the Z28 earned respect. With a front subframe design, improved suspension geometry, and better weight distribution, the car delivered balanced performance both on straight roads and tight corners. It wasn't just muscle, it was refined power. The Z28 offered a driving experience that felt connected and confident, something few cars could match in that era. Visually, the 1970 Camaro Z28 was a masterpiece. Its long hood, split front bumper, and fastback roofline gave it a sleek, almost European sports car feel, while still maintaining its raw American attitude. The dual racing stripes running down the hood and trunk made it instantly recognizable. The front end was more aggressive than the first-generation Camaro, with a lower, wider stance that looked ready to attack the road. Every curve and line of this car screamed performance and passion. Inside, the Camaro Z28 offered a driver-focused cockpit with sporty bucket seats and a simple yet purposeful dashboard. Chevrolet designed it to make the driver feel like part of the machine, not just a passenger behind the wheel. The steering was tight, the gear shifts were crisp, and the car responded instantly to every move. It was a car that demanded to be driven, not just admired. What truly makes the 1970 Camaro Z28 special is how it has aged over the decades. Even today, more than 50 years later, it stands as a symbol of pure muscle car heritage. Collectors and enthusiasts around the world still chase this model for its performance, design, and unmatched legacy. The growl of that LT1 engine, the iconic stripes, and the unmistakable attitude make it one of the most desirable Camaros ever built. The 1970 Z28 was more than just a car, it was a statement of American engineering excellence and passion for performance. It represented a time when cars were raw, mechanical, and full of character. When you hear that V8 rumble, you're not just listening to an engine, you're hearing history, power, and soul combined in one incredible machine. If you're a true car lover, the 1970 Camaro Z28 deserves your respect and admiration. It's a timeless classic that reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. This is Camaro Z28, where we celebrate the legends that shaped automotive history. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more amazing rides and stories from the golden age of muscle cars. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.